Hey everyone, welcome back to CyberTechX Ravin. After a long time, as we have started a brand new series on AWS tutorial, and we have already created and uploaded our first video on AWS account creation. If you don't have create any account on AWS, so please go through it. I will leave the description. I will leave the link in description box, so you could refer it and create your own AWS account. So in this video I will show you step by step how to create an EC2 instance on AWS and connect it using SSH. SSH using your Windows CMD, or we will use Putty software to connect it EC2 instance remotely. Okay, so to use your AWS account, open your favorite browser and just simply go on aws.amazon.com console. Okay, and here this very first link, Amazon Web Service AWS console. Click on this and click on sign in. Okay, make sure you have stable internet connection, so it won't take long time. Okay, so let me first sign in. I have created my IAM user, so I will log in using that. Okay, so if you don't create any IAM user, you should log in as a root user. Okay, if you don't know about IAM user, next video will be on the same. Please do comment to get the video on IAM. I will upload it. Okay, so let me sign in. Okay, password wrong. Okay, I have signed in successfully. Okay, whenever you sign in, you should see in which region you are by default login. Okay, so I am in a Mumbai region. It is what in our India, right? And mostly we should select this one, else you could go with anyone. Okay, so this we will be practice since I will won't take any risk. Okay, so after login, you can see here some of AWS services are listed below that I have frequently used. Okay, so we have to create a EC2 instance, right? So in search bar, you just simply type EC2, and here EC2 is option will be there. Click on this EC2, and here you can go through this various options. So to launch a new Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that is EC2 instance, we will click on this launch instance option. Okay, and here we have to give the name give your instance a name. Let's call it my first EC2. Okay, my first EC2, and below which operating system you want to use, you can select it. Okay, I think Amazon, this is AWS, Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, then Red Hat, and Debian. Various options are there. Let's go with Ubuntu. Okay, let's go with Ubuntu, and you should check here. We should always go with the free tier eligible. You can see it. Okay, and below it we have to create we have to create a security key pair through which our data will be secured. Okay, and here we have to select t2.micro, that will be our free tier eligible account benefit. Okay, and to create a key pair, if you don't have anyone, click on a new key pair, create new key pair, and just name it. So I will name it the same as our instance name. Okay, first EC2, right? And go with this by default settings, this RSA and .pm extension file. Click on this create pair, and below it, in networking setting, select on existing security group, and here by select the default VPC, and here we have make all requirement minimum recommended settings. Okay, and we will create just one. If you create more than one, you could enter your number. Okay, so we will create one instance. To create one, just simply click on this launch instance option, and it will take some time, and it has successfully initiated launch instance, and this is what instance ID is here. Okay, so here congratulations, your instance is launching, and launch, and to connect it, via SSH, scroll down below, and here we can see connect to your instance. Okay, click on this connect to instance option, and here various options are there through EC2 instance connect. If you click on this connect, it will open that remote terminal in your web browser. Okay, then session manager is the second option, and we will go with this SSH client. Okay, so here is this is the command which we will use. Okay, so just simply copy this command, and open the CMD prompt, CMD, hit enter. In this way you should have to open the CMD, and make sure where you have downloaded that security key pair. Okay, with the .pm extension, we have to go with that location. Okay, so to go I have downloaded it in download option folder, so I will go with this download option. But to change the directory, we will use cd command, right? Change directory, hit enter, and now we are in a download folder. Okay, and here we will paste that paste this SSH command. Okay, so control V, it will paste it, hit enter, and give it S. It hit after hitting enter, here we have connected to our EC2 instance successfully. You can see here Ubuntu IP, and this is our Ubuntu local area network IP address. Okay, so let me clear the screen, and you can see here you can use the EC2 instance directly from here, CMD prompt. In this way we have now log into our EC2 instance using Windows CMD. Okay, if you are getting any error, please do comment. I will help you with that. Okay, don't worry. Let's try some commands, so it will be home up for us. Okay, so let's try with in which directory we are working on. Okay, the home Ubuntu. Okay, let's let me check the machine name, that is Linux machine, and total user address and the IP address, where let me check IP address here, 171.92, that. Then its internet IP address, let's check with ifconfig.me, and here you can see this is the my open internet IP address of our Ubuntu machine. Okay, so in this way we have successfully connect the EC2 created EC2 instance, launch it, and connect it using Windows CMD prompt. Okay. Okay then. uh, if you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe and share this with your tech friends, and don't forget this to just start AWS series. Next up, we will explore how to host a static website using S3 bucket and CloudFront. So turn on notifications, and do let me comment if you get any error or any facing any problem with any technicalities. I will be there for you. Just don't please guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this video and our channel across your friend circle. Okay. Don't hesitate to reach